In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix controller stick drift in Call of Duty Black Ops 7. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, Black Ops 7 just released, but you might be having some stick drift issues on Black Ops 7. Whenever you're playing the game, it could be with your controller or anything like that. So what you want to do firstly is, whether you're in a game or not, you want to go over to your settings. So I'm going to press my options button on my PS5, but you might press escape if you're on keyboard and mouse. Then you want to go all the way to this tab here, which is your settings wheel. Then go over to controller. Now you're going to see a lot of different things here, but what you want to do is literally just scroll down, and then eventually you're going to see dead zone input. So you want to press square to show more, and then basically the best thing to do is test your dead zones in real time. So we're going to test stick dead zone right now, and then when you move it, you're basically going to be able to tell if it's working accurately or not. When you let go of your sticks, if it's not going in like the exact position, like where it's like, basically if it's not going right in the middle as it should, like it's, my one has 0 stick drift, which is why it's going in the middle. But if yours is, like, you might see it slightly going like this or something, that's how you know there's something wrong. So what you want to do is, based on that, you want to adjust these values. Every time you adjust a value, do it every bit, and then you want to test your stick dead zone again. Basically, you want to ensure that after you're done adjusting the values, you want to make sure that your left and right analog stick goes to the center by default. That's the best way to do it, and then you'll be good to go. Alternatively, if you can't get it right, what you want to do is just reset it by pressing L3, and then just try a different controller if you have access to a different controller, because that one might not have stick drift, and then you'll be good to go. But it's as simple as that. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe, and check out all our other Black Ops 7 videos on this channel.